Welcome to this Coinw exchange review. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of using the Coinw platform, from creating your account to exploring its trading features. To get started, head to the Coinw homepage, where you'll find a simple and clean interface. After signing up, you can easily deposit your cryptocurrency or fiat currency into your account. With Coinw, you can trade across various markets, including spot, futures, and margin. The platform offers advanced charting tools and technical analysis features to assist with trading strategies. One standout feature of Coinw is its low fees, ensuring you keep more of your profits. When you're ready to start trading, simply select the market you're interested in and place your order. The platform's fast transaction processing ensures that you can execute trades quickly and efficiently. Before we dive deeper into how you can maximize your earnings on Coinw, did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Now, let's continue with the Coinw platform. After familiarizing yourself with the trading options, you can begin exploring other features, like the Coinw referral program, which allows you to earn commissions by inviting others to the platform. The mobile app also makes trading convenient while on the go, so you can manage your assets anytime and anywhere. Remember to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you found this video helpful.